People often talk casually about their DNA and how it determines who they are. So I wondered if it might be a good place where I could find evidence of God. Under supermagnification, the deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA molecule, looks like a spiraling ladder, commonly called a double helix. DNA is made up of 4 chemical bases, linked like ladder rungs along the spiraling sugar and phosphate helix. The precise binary sequences of these chemicals form information codes, like those in computer software, but infinitely more complex. DNA contains genetic instructions, twisted, compacted, and packaged into X-shaped chromosomes that direct every nucleus of living cells. They might be human, animal, plant, even virus, though viruses act differently. They're always bad boys. Virus DNA is very simple, whereas human DNA is extremely complex, and as you learned in high school biology, has 23 pairs of chromosomes, including those pesky Y chromosomes responsible for all the men in the world. Now get this, one set of human chromosomes contains as many as 3 billion codes, all duplicated in every nucleus of every cell in our bodies. This is a more tightly packed, complex set of information than anywhere else in the universe. If you printed out all this information into books that were each 400 pages long, it would take 5,000 of these 400-page books to contain the information of your DNA molecules in the nucleus of a single cell. It's a bit like having the information from all the books in this bookstore in each nucleus of each cell in your body. The amazing complexity of DNA and its limitless ability to reproduce itself in a highly ordered harmony of billions of different cells all over the body is as opposite as one can get from the second law of thermodynamics, which states that anything left to itself will go from order to disorder and into a state of entropy or randomness. Certainly, order does occasionally spring from disorder, as with the formation of snowflakes or the natural functioning of ecosystems, but the submicroscopic intricacy, the astonishing volume, and the unparalleled precision of DNA reproduction and functioning defies any probability of its operating by chance. In other words, there's no stinking way that DNA just happens by itself. The information of DNA is independent from its structure. And that means that it did not and could not randomly evolve any more than computer software could evolve out of computer hardware. I can only conclude that someone carefully created our DNA. And his fingerprint is in the nucleus of every cell of our bodies. You can't get more intimate than that.